Hello everyone, welcome to HT Auto. As an automobile enthusiast, you know that proper car care is vital for preserving your vehicle's performance, longevity and value. Today, we'll take you through the top 10 maintenance tasks to keep your car running at its best. Regular oil changes. Engine oil lubricates vital components, preventing wear and tear. Follow the manufacturer's recommended intervals for oil changes to maintain engine health. Inspect fluid levels. Check engine coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid regularly. Topping them up when necessary ensures optimal car performance. Air filter replacement. Clean air filters promote efficient engine performance, better fuel economy, and cleaner emissions. Replace them as recommended by the vehicle's manual. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and tread depth. Properly inflated and well-maintained tires improve fuel efficiency and enhance safety on road. Wheel alignment and balancing. Ensure your car wheels are properly aligned and balanced, reducing tire wear and improving handling. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Timely brake maintenance ensures optimal stopping, power, and safety. Battery health. Check the battery's terminals and fluid levels regularly. Keep the battery clean and secure to prevent electrical issues. Timely belt replacement. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for timing belt replacement to avoid engine damage. Inspect belts and hoses. Regularly examine belts and hoses for signs of wear and replace them when necessary. Transmission fluid check. Regularly check transmission fluid levels and condition. Flush and replace the fluid as per the vehicle's maintenance schedule. And there you have it, the top 10 maintenance tasks to keep your car in prime condition. By following this checklist, you'll ensure that your vehicle remains in top shape, runs smoothly, and retains its value for years to come. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to HT Auto for exciting automotive content. Until next time, happy driving and happy maintaining.